पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 796। One and the same Atma, which is Aparoksha, can be samsari and asamsari. How? So it was said in Bhashya, Nama Rupa Vikara Karya Karana Lakshana Sanghat Upadi Bheda Samparka Janita Bhranti Matram Hi Samsaritvam. So when we read this, it is easy to understand. Samsaritva is Bhranti Matram. But when there is Samsaritva, no matter how much Asakrit Avochama, how much it is said, that Bhranti can drown a person. So much so that that person is not available for any Vag Vyavahara, Shravana Vyavahara, ityadi. Knowledge is the one with the help of which we should know how to bounce back. If we are not able to do this, Vedanta is not for us. Bhranti matram hi samsaritvam, otherwise we will read it, but we will not know how to get out of this Bhranti. In Tika we saw that Nama Rupa Vikara, which produces Karya Karana Lakshana Sanghata, that becomes the Upadhi. From that, Aham Mama Adhyasa comes. I am so and so, etc. That produces Bhranti in the form of I am Karta Bhokta. This is Samsara. Further, Kincha. Savisheshatva Nirvisheshatva Shrutyor Vishaya Vibhagokti Prasangena Samsaritvasya Mithyatvam Madhu Brahmanante Avochama. At the end of Madhu Brahmana also, this was discussed. Page number they have given 646. In Bhashya it is given. तस्मात् ब्रह्म विज्ञानात् एवं लक्षणात् पूर्वमपि ब्रह्मैव सत् avidya abrahma asit. In Bhashya, it is given before Brahma Jnanam also he was Brahma. Why he was Abrahma? He was Brahma, but he thought he is Abrahma because of avidya. Brahmaiva sad avidyaya abrahma asit. It's given there in this Bhashya. इत्याह विरुद्ध श्रुति व्याख्यान प्रसंगेन च. If we don't accept this, then what would happen? Viruddha Shruti Vyakhyanam would happen. That at one place Shruti says something, Savisheshatva. At another place it says Nirvisheshatva. At one place it says Samsaritva. Another Asamsaritva. That kind of teaching is not Pramana. So for it to become Pramana, it is important that one is a fact, another is because of avidya alone. कथं तर्हि विरुद्ध धर्मवत्व प्रतीति ही इति आशंक्या. Then why there is this विरुद्ध धर्मवत्व प्रतीति? यथा रज्जु शुक्तिका गगनादयः सर्प रजत मलिना भवन्ति पर अध्यारोपित धर्म विशिष्टाः स्वतश्च केवला एव रज्जु शुक्तिका गगनादयः. प्रसिद्ध दृष्टांत Rajju Shuktika Gagana. In them, Rajju becomes Malina by Sarpa. Not actually, but Para Adhyaropita Dharma Vishishta. So, Anvay will be like this. Para Adhyaropa Dharma Vishishta Rajju Sarpa Malina Bhavati. Swatasya Kevala eva.
Malina goes with Gagana, Swamiji.
Malina can go with Rajju Sarpa Bhavati. Only that much you can say then. Paradhyaropita Dharma Vishishta Rajju Sarpa Bhavati. Shuktika Rajat Bhavati. Gaganadaya Malina Bhavanti. Swatasya Kevalayava. But by themselves they are what they are. There is no Anya Dharma in them. So that Anya Dharma also you can take as Malinyam, but here it is not given that way. So what is important here is it is Para Adhyaropita. Others think it is like this. Swataha there is nothing. Parena Purushena Ajnanena va Adhyaropitaihi Sarpattvadibher Dharmair Vishishta iti yavat. Parena Purushena Ajnanena va. Either by some other person or by one's own self, Ajnanam can be there. One's own self, Ajnanam is not in case of Sarpa, etc. That is only in case of an individual. Means either I myself think I am not Brahma or others think I am not Brahma. In this way. Parena Purushena Ajnanena va. But in Sarpatva Drashtanta, it is only Parena Purushena. Sarpatvadibher Dharmai Vishishta iti yavat. Swatasya Adhyaropena vina. Swata means without Adhyaropa, Kevala eva. Pratibhasato Viruddha Dharmavatve api Kshetra Dinataveva Prashna Viti Chet Netyaha. प्रतिभासतः विरुद्ध धर्मवत्वे अपि क्षेत्रज्ञ ईश्वरयोः भिन्नत्वात्. So somebody is having a shanka now that these two questions in two brahmanas, Ushastha and Kahola, pratibhasatah, apparently pratibhasatah pratibhasika viruddha dharma vishishtayoho viruddha dharmavatve api kshetrajna ishwarayor भिन्नत्वात्. क्षेत्रज्ञ and ईश्वर are भिन्न, and therefore भिन्नार्थावेव प्रश्नौ, भिन्नार्थौ प्रश्नौ, भिन्नौ अर्थौ समास विग्रह, भिन्नौ अर्थौ ययोः तौ प्रश्नौ भिन्नार्थौ. So they both are having different artha of these two prashna. इति चेत न च एवं विरुद्ध धर्म समवायित्वे पदार्थानां कश्चन विरोधः. एवं means when there is आविद्यक भेद or कल्पित भेद, how it is given in Tippani, then there is no real भेद. It is only व्यवहार मात्र. न च एवं विरुद्ध धर्म समवायित्वे पदार्थानां कश्चन विरोधः. Because it vastu is same. Rajju in somebody's drashti, same thing as sarpa in somebody else's drashti, there is no virodha. Because that sarpa drashti is avidyaka, vastu is same. Padartha doesn't have any virodha. निरुपाधिक रूपेण असंसारित्वं सोपाधिक रूपेण संसारित्वं इति अविरोध उक्तः. So this was explained earlier. Samsaritva is because of upadhi. So if I understand samsaritva is because of upadhi, samsaritva here, what is referred by samsaritva?
Ashanaya, Pipasa, Shoka, Moha, Jara, Mrityu.
These six he has taken. Ashanaya, Pipasa, Shokam, Moham, Jara, Mrityu. They are upalakshana for anything else also. Samsaritvam iti avirodha uktah. Idanim upadhi abhyupagame sadvayatvam sataschaiva घटादेर उपाधित्व दृष्टेः इति शंकते. Now upadhi abhyupagame, if we accept the upadhi, means if you accept the upadhi as sattva, as real, then there is dvaitam, because now there is atma also and upadhi also. Idanim upadhi abhyupagame sadvayatvam सतश्च एव घटादेः उपाधित्व दृष्टेः इति शंकते. Ghatadi will become upadhi for like akasha. So you have ghatakasha, mathakasha, etc. Ghatakash, mathakasha vyavahar is possible only when there is sat upadhi. Satyasya. You see, satah, satya upadhi alone will create such vyavahar. Iti shankate. Nam rupa उपाधि अस्तित्वे एकमेवा द्वितीयं नेह नानास्ति किंचन इति श्रुतयो विरुद्धेरन् इति. नाम रूप उपाधि is satya. Astitva means they are satya. Then you will have shruti virodha, ekameva dvitiyam. नेहना नास्ति किंचन इति श्रुतयो विरुध्येरन्. These shrutis will have virodha. Iti chet. Siddhanti says na. Siddhika. सलिलातिरेकेण न सन्ति फेनादयो विकारा नापि मृदादि अतिरेकेण तद विकाराः शरावादयः सन्ति इति दृष्टान्ताख्य युक्ति बलात्. Up to that let us see. Other than the water there is no budbuda, phena ityadi vikara. And other than the mrittika, there are no vikaras like kata, sharava, ityadi. This is the drishtanta. On the strength of this yukti balat, avidya balat, avidya nama rupa rachita karya karana sangatasya avidya matratvat tasyaasya vidya nirasat naivam iti pariharati. So here, what is the upadhi that we are talking about? Sthula sharira, sukshma sharira, karana sharira. They are the upadhi. Because jara mrityu is in sthula sharira and ashana pipasa, shoka, moha, they are in sukshma sharira. But sthula, sukshma sharira upadhi are possible only when there is this karana upadhi. So that is avidya, directly it is given here. Avidya nama rupa rachita. Avidya means avidyaka. Avidyaka nama rupa rachita karya karana sanghata is avidya only. It is not a different entity. So then you will end up with still two. What are the two? Atma and avidya. Now you have avidya also. So Vedanti says that avidya is anirvachaniya. Therefore avidya karyam is also all anirvachaniya. This is Siddhanta. Parihara is done. So avidya nirasa will happen through vidya, and therefore all upadhi nirasa will also happen. Therefore there is no dvaitam. Na salila phena drishtantena parihritatvat mridadi drishtantescha. Salila phena drishtanta, mridadi drishtanta. By this seeming dvaitam already we have refuted. कार्य सत्वम अभ्युपगम्य उक्तम इदानीं तदपि निरूप्यमाणे नास्ति इत्याह. कार्य सत्वम अभ्युपगम्य, accepting that karya is satyam, all this is explained. Uktam idanim tadapi nirupyamane nasti. When you inquire, karya sattvam also is not there. Yada tu paramartha drishtya paramatma tattvat shruti anusari bhir anyatvena nirupyamane नाम रूपे मृदादि विकारवत वस्त्वंतरे तत्वतो नस्तः सलिल फेन घटादि विकारवत एव. यदा तु परमार्थ दृष्टिया, when परमार्थ दृष्टि is there, then परमात्मा तत्वात् श्रुति अनुसारिभिः अन्यत्वेन निरूप्यमाणे नाम रूपे through in paramartha drishti paramatmatvat shruti anusaribihi anyatvena nirupyamane nama rupa etc. Even though they are described as something else, tatvatah nastah, in reality they are not there. So what is the difference between earlier sentence and this sentence now? Earlier he said they are there, vidya will remove avidya, avidya karya also will go. Now he says, even when you are experiencing, you should know they are not there. Not that only when vidya comes, then they are not there. They were never there. Dvaitam vichare, paramartha bodhetu advaitam. This is not right. Ityesha na sadhuvadaha. Gaveshanat गवेषणात् प्राक् दशमे विनष्टे पश्चाच्च लब्धे दशमत्वमेकम्. So but remember, this is all adhikari bheda. So somebody will realize the fact after everything is done and then maybe little later. And somebody already he will know while experiencing that this is mithya. This is why they say bhumikas. Tritiya bhumika, chaturtha, panchama, shashtha. As much as vairagya increases, person will be in higher and higher bhumika. Based on that, jnanam availability will be spontaneous. Nirupyamane nama rupe mridadi vikaravat. So mridadi vikar also vastuantare tattvato na nastaha. They are not there. सलिल फेन घटादि विकारवत् एव तदा तदपेक्ष्य एकमेवाद्वितीयं नेह नानास्ति किंचन इत्यादि परमार्थ दर्शन गोचरत्वं प्रतिपद्यते. So then from that standpoint, ekamaevadvitiyam neha nanasti kinchana, they all are paramartha darshana vishayaka. Gocharatvam means they all are talking from the paramartha standpoint. And paramartha darshana gocharatvam pratipadyate. They have paramartha darshana jnanam as its vishaya gochara. टीका नेह नानास्ति किंचन इत्यादि श्रुति अनुसारिभिर वस्तु दृष्ट्या निरूप्यमाणे नाम रूपे परमात्म तत्वात् अन्यत्वेन अनन्यत्वेन वा निरूप्यमाणे तत्वतो वस्वन्तरे यदा तु नस्तः इति संबद्धः. This nama rupa from paramartha vastu paramatma tattvat anyatvena nirupyamane ananyatvena va nirupyamane. Anyatvena means paramartha vastu is one, nama rupa are separate. Ananyatvena means in paramartha vastu they are also present, nama rupa. So they will become vishishta advaita. Neither there is dvaita nor there is vishishta advaita. Anyatvena ananyatvena va nirupyamane tattvato vastu antare yadatu nastaha. Vastu antara is not there. In there is one karika in Mandukya. न पृथक ना पृथक किंचित इति तत्व विदो विदुः. In वैतथ्य प्रकरण
नात्मभावेन
आत्मभावेन नानेदम न स्वेनापि कथंचन. न आत्मभावेन नाना इदम न स्वेनापि. Atma means as Atma there is no Nana. Na Svena means those things existing separately, there is no Nana. neither pruthak nor apruthak. That is na anyattvena na ananyatvena. Iti tattvavido viduhu. Tattvagnani's buddhi is like this. This is his understanding. Mridadi vikaravat iti uktam prakatayati. Salila, etc. Tada tat paramatma tattvam apekshya iti yojaniyam. Paramatma tattvam apekshya. From Paramatma standpoint, ekam evadvitiyam nehana nasti kinchana. These those shrutis are there. Kada tarhi laukiko vyavahastatra aha. Then why there is laukika vyavahara or when there is laukika vyavahara? Yada tu swabhavikya avidyaya brahma swarupam rajju shuktika gagana swarupavat eva svena rupena vartamanam kenachid अस्पृष्ट स्वभावम अपि सन नाम रूप कृत कार्य करण उपाधिभ्यो विवेकेन न अवधार्यते नाम रूप उपाधि दृष्टि एव च भवति स्वाभाविकी तदा in one sentence everything is explained तदा सर्वोयम वस्तुअंतर अस्तित्व व्यवहारः. When does this happen? यदा तु when स्वाभाविक्या अविद्यया ब्रह्म स्वरूपम विवेकेन न अवधार्यते. The nature of Brahma because of this swabhaviki avidya. What is swabhaviki? But what is naisargik? Naisargik is correct, but what is naisargik? Anadi. Akrutam means in my buddhi some new understanding should come whenever I get another word. Swabhaviki means anadi. Avidya is anadi. So it doesn't have any karanam. There is no hetu. In other words, why there is Bhranti, there is Hetu, Avidya. Why there is Avidya, there is no Hetu. This is what it means. Swabhavikya Avidya. Because of that, Brahma Swarupam Vivekena Navadharyate. One does not know the nature of Brahma. So, in this, once I have understood Avidya is the problem, maximum emphasis should be there on Vidya, Jnana. In that there will be Pratibandha. Some will have few, some will have lot more. In that I should not forget that my goal is Jnanam only. So this Pratibandha is there, that Pratibandha. If I get distracted by that, then I will never reach my goal. So I have to keep focusing that I have to gain Jnanam, and for that, if there is Pratibandha, I have to do whatever it requires to remove that Pratibandha. Not that when this will happen, that way Pratibandha will, one will go, another will come. Drishtanta is given, Rajju Shuktika Gagana Swarupavat Eva. Brahma Swarupam like Rajju Swarupam, Shuktika Swarupam, etc. By itself, it is Svena Rupana Vartamana. Kenachid Asprishta Swabhavam. Nobody has touched, nobody can touch. But this Viveka is not there. Nama Rupa Krita Karya Karana Upadhi. That Sthula Sukshma Sharira, they are different, I am different. So I have earlier explained in different contexts. Panchakosha Viveka is only for that person who does not have 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th kosha as problems. Those who have these koshas as problems means sadharanatah we identify with 5 koshas. If I end up identifying with 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th kosha, first I have to work on that detachment. Once I am done with that, then I come to Vedanta, then they say Panchakosha Vivekaha. They will do only Panchakosha Viveka. Other kosha removal is your problem. Means it is karma upasana topic. It is not Vedanta. So that you have to take care of that. Any other issues if I have, Vedanta will start with only Panchakosha Viveka. They will say why, like how in Naishkarmya Siddhi 2nd chapter we are saying, how I am not Annamaya Kosha, how I am not Sukshma Sharira, how I should not identify with this and that you work. If you get that much Vairagya, then you start actual Vedanta Prakriya. So if somebody feels that other koshas are problem, then Panchakosha Viveka will not give you anything. Vivekena na avadharyate. Then Nama Rupa Upadhi Drishtihi evacha bhavati. Vyatireka Anvaya both. Neither I am able to know Brahma Swarupa nor I am in Sushupti. On the other hand, Nama Rupa Upadhi becomes my understanding that this is who I am. Swabhaviki bhavati. Here what is given Swabhaviki? Shastra Anadheya. Here Swabhaviki means without taking any support of Shastra. Who told me I am Sthula Sharira? Who told me I am Nama Rupa? No Shastra, just by myself. Tada Sarvoyam Vastuantara Astitva Vyavahara. Then we give reality to all other Vastus. Tika. Avidyaya Swabhavikya Brahma Yad Upadibhyo Vivekena na avadharyate. Avidyaya Swabhavikya Brahma Yad Upadibhyo Vivekena na avadharyate. Brahma is not separated from Upadhi. Because of the avidya, there is lack of viveka. Tada laukiko vyavahara chet, then laukika vyavahara happens. Tarhi vivekinam na asau syat. Somebody says, then viveki should not have laukika vyavahara. Iti ashankya hai. So actual straight answer is this. That is not your problem. Viveki knows how to deal with it. You don't worry about Viveki. But here Bhashyakar gives answer. He does Vyavahara knowing that this is Mithya. Asti cha ayam bheda kruto Mithya Vyavaharo. Yesham Brahma Tattvad Anyatvena Vastu Vidyate Yesham cha Nasti. This bheda krita Mithya Vyavahara is अस्ति येषाम ब्रह्म तत्वाद अन्यत्वेन वस्तु विद्यते येषाम च नास्ति. So for both this kind of vyavahara you can take, but one will have satyatva buddhi, another will have vadita. Here what is given is both will have, but how there is a bheda. Bheda krito mithya vyavaharo yesham brahma tattvad anyatvena vastu vidyate tesham asti. Yesham brahma tattvad anyatvena vastu na vidyate yesham cha nasti. It is given in different way. In the Anuvada they have done this way. अविवेकी मत में ब्रह्म तत्व से अन्य रूप से वस्तु विद्यमान है और जिनके मत में नहीं है उन दोनों का ही भेदकृत मिथ्या व्यवहार होता है. भेदकृत व्यवहार विल बी देयर but one will give no reality. ठीक है, भेद भान प्रयुक्तो व्यवहारो विवेकिनाम अविवेकिनाम च तुल्य एव. भेद भान प्रयुक्त व्यवहार फॉर विवेकी एंड अविवेकी इट इज समानम तुल्य एव. अयम वस्तुअंतर अस्तित्व अभिनिवेशस्तु विवेकिनाम नास्ति इति विशेष. But Vastvantar was means another Padartha is there. This Abhinivesha is not there for Viveki. That's why he is Viveki. Vivekinam Abhinivesha Nasti. Dehatma Bhave,
न जडौ समो
then after that what? एकस्य देहे हृदि दीप्त आत्मा आक्रम्य देहं च जगत् च पूर्णं परस्य मेयं तनुमात्रम्. अज्ञस्य विज्ञस्य च विश्वमस्ति.
पूर्वस्य पूर्वस्य
पूर्वस्य
जगत्
दृश्यं जगदेव सत्यं परस्य दृश्यात्मकभूतमेकं दृष्ट्यात् सत्यं प्रपूर्णं प्रविभात्य रूपम. रूपम अरूपः सत्यं प्रपूर्णं प्रविभात्य. Mean this constantly, if it rings in your head, then you will be able to stay balanced. Otherwise, because Jagat will have its own thing, sometimes Prarabdha will bring something. I have to know how to keep Mithya Vastu as Mithya only. This is where the Viveka comes. It should become so much prabal. Otherwise, it is so easy to get carried away. Nanu yatha pratibhasam vastvantaram paramarthikam eva. Those who are wondering where these shlokas are from, all these are in Saddarshanam. Nanu yatha pratibhasam vastvantaram paramarthikam eva kinna syat. Somebody says, however it is experienced, why can't it be real only? Paramarthikam eva kinna syat. Tatraha परमार्थवादिभिस्तु श्रुत्यनुसारेण निरूप्यमाणे वस्तुनि किं तत्वतो अस्ति वस्तु किं वा नास्ति. Paramarthvadibihi means by the Advaitins, Shrutyanusarena Nirupyamane Vastuni. According to Shruti, when the Vastu Nirupyana happens, Kim Tatvato Asti Vastu Kim va Nasti iti Brahma Ekameva Advitiyam Sarva Samvyavahara Shunyam iti Nirdharyate Tena na Kashchit Virodha. See, beautiful sentence. When a Jnani, with the help of Shruti, has understood what is the Paramartha Vastu, then Tattvataha Vastu Antaram Asti Nasti iti Brahma Ekameva Advitiyam Sarva Samvyavahara Shunyam. In this Nirdharana, there is no Virodha. Means other objects are existing, not existing. Once I have understood I am Brahma, which is Asanga, and that there is Ekameva Advitiyatva of that Brahma, Satyam Jnanam Anantam, na Kaschid Virodha. There is no Virodha with the other Vastu. Okay, up to this we keep. The next sentence is very long sentence. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.